Alright guys, look at that. How does that look?
Welcome to Newbie Coop.
Yo, what's up YouTube land? Welcome back to another episode of Newbie Coop Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. Today, we're going to go back to a video I did not too long ago. If you go back a few videos, you'll find it. It is my hamburger hot dog video. Now, it did very well on TikTok and stuff like that. It actually performed very well. And today, we're going to spice it up just a notch. We're going to take it just a little step further than what we have before. So to do that, we're going to get all natural Angus beef hot dogs, which I didn't even know they made. And we're going to stuff it with a little bit of beef chorizo because, you know, why not? Keep it with the beef theme. We'll use some beef chorizo. Top it with some pepper jack cheese when it's done. Then we're going to throw a few extra condiments on there. And we're going to make us a really cool, maybe like a tailgate backyard party type of, you know, hot dog sandwich or whatever you want to call it. That way you have something to impress your friends with. With that being said, let's get after it. Alright, we're going to keep this real easy. All you're going to do is take just a little slit right here. You don't want to cut all the way down to the end, but just kind of right here and towards, like, I don't know, like a finger width in. We're just going to slice down the middle of this. And make sure you get all the way through. About another finger width at the ends. And that'll do like that for you. Alright, now that we have these cut open, we're going to get them stuffed. Alright, just going to make you a little chorizo log here. That's right, I said it, a chorizo log. We're just going to stuff it right in the middle of this hot dog. You don't want to overstuff it, so if you have to take some back out, you can. There we go, just like that. I'm going to work it in there nice and good. Boom. Just like that. Alright y'all, so just for quick reference, that's what they look like. How good do them things look, man? Now, we're going to go ahead and get these suckers on the grill. Alright y'all, time to get these suckers on the grill. We're going to throw them right here. We're going to get a nice little char on them. Right here on my grill grate. We're going to get a little char on them, and then we'll pull them off and let them cook the rest of the way. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and flip them over. Ooh, we're getting a little char on there. Chorizo's getting kind of soft, so I don't want to be too reckless with it here and lose any chorizo. Here we go. Oh no. Our chorizo is falling out. Oh no. Chorizo got kind of greasy and fell out, y'all. Well, this video's going to go for a fail. Alright, I'm not calling this a fail video yet. This has to work. I know there's got to be a way, but it got so hot, it's probably my fault, but it got so hot all the chorizo fell out. And I know chorizo's greasy, so I probably should have thought that through a little bit by putting it on the grill grates. Maybe I should have put them on a flat top. I don't know if either one of them would have made it better. But the chorizo is just kind of falling out. It's not sticking together. So maybe if I would have put maybe the beef in with some hamburger meat, made it a little more thicker, more I don't know, maybe, I don't know if that would have worked either. But I'm not calling this a failed video yet. We're going to figure this out. Whether I got to salvage the two that are in here and make it work, or if we're going to redo this, I don't know. We may just redo this. We may just cook some chorizo up and put it in with the hot dog, you know, and do it that way. Kind of like a chili dog, but with the chorizo on top. I don't know. I don't know what to do. I think we're going to try it both ways. That's what we're going to do. Alright, I got two that are still pretty good. So we're going to go ahead and we're just going to toast up some buns. I'm just going to toast these up just a little bit. If I could get it to fold out. Toast up some buns. I'm refusing to call this a fail, folks. Alright, while those buns are toasted, these two that are still good, I'm going to go ahead and put my cheese on, my pepper jack cheese on. Pull that away just a little bit. These two can go over. I'm going to put some pepper jack cheese on those. Let them melt. We'll let that all melt. Alright, let's go ahead and pull these off. Woo-wee, got them nice and toasty. Alright, y'all. I absolutely refuse to call this a fail. These ones still are holding together just fine. Just gotta be careful with them. We're going to go ahead and put these on the buns. Now, these are sweet Hawaiian roll hot dog buns. I saw these at the grocery store and I'm like, this is going to go perfect, you know. We got a little bit of heat, a little bit of sweet. It's going to be awesome. So we're going to go ahead and save this one too. These two, nothing fell out of. The other two, they were an absolute disaster. Let's just call it what it is. So we're going to go ahead and keep these. Now, they don't look near as good as I was really hoping for. Like, I was really hoping this was going to be, like, the coolest looking thing. But, forget me. Never done this before. Just like everything else. You and I are seeing this for the first time. Now, this is giving me ideas on a version 3. So, we may have to do something else. But, going to put a little bit of sweet relish. Just a little bit of sweet relish in with these. Trying to make them look pretty for you. I know, this is not going well. Not going well at all. But you know what? It's probably going to be alright. You know what I mean? A little sweet relish. Not a lot. We don't want to overdo it. Now, sweet honey barbecue sauce. I know what you're thinking. Sounds like a weird combination, but I'm going with the sweet and heat right here, alright? So we're going to go ahead and we're going to close these together. Close this up a little bit. Make it look pretty. Alright, here we go. Look at that. Doesn't that look beautiful? I mean, it does to me. It's not the best. I know, I get it. It's not like gourmet, but man, it looks pretty good to me. I don't know. Alright guys, tell me what you think. I mean, is it a go? Is it something you would make? I mean, what would you do different? How would you do that different? I mean, I'm thinking cooking them on a flat top would work. You could just flip them over. That would be a little easier. I don't know. Mix it with some beef. I think mix it with some real beef, it would look pretty good. But I don't know. They look good. I'm going to go ahead and try it. So let's do that. Alright, y'all. Let's go ahead. Let's give it a taste. What do you think? I think it's going to be pretty good. Alright, check out sweet relish. Where's my chorizo? That's pretty good. It's pretty good. It's actually better than I thought that was going to be after what I just saw on the grill. I really thought this was going to be a huge fail. But I told you I refused to call this a fail. I wanted this to work. But pretty good. Alright y'all, that's it for me. As you can see, it's like super dark. Kind of doing this during the week. So I'm going to get out of here. I'm going to go inside. I'm going to eat. I got some more hot dogs cooking for the kids. I don't think they would like the chorizo stuff. So I think they might think that's kind of spicy. They're kind of weird like that. You know, they're kids. But we will see you guys next time. Don't forget to check out the merch. Put the links down below. Follow me on social media. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook. Don't really follow me on Twitter. I don't ever get on there. At NewbieQ2020. TikTok, NewbieQ Backyard Barbecue. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. We'll see you guys next time. Peace.